if this FCB is closed, correct?
FCB closed, and also the player PCB open when not in demand.
I think this you have considered, right? This you have considered.
Yeah, that one is considered for this PIC, PAL.
For this,
Because this is provided specifically to know that the vein pack is blank. Yeah, but nevertheless we also provided L.
Yeah.
So for this probably is your loss of stripping gas.
So okay, how do you lose? Only FCB is closed, then only your
FCB is not open. Yeah.
closure is correct. All function full close.
Yes.
And potential low pressure is stripper, leading to process subset, right? Process subset only.
Process subset. Off-spec crude. Yeah, off-spec crude because there's no stripping efficiency. There's no stripping.
Off-spec, huh?
Yeah.
So operator need to do the investigation.
I think low pressure may not happen. Because the pressure inside the column adjusted by the back pressure controller. It's not depend on the stripping gas flow rate.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so that I agree. But what is the timeline you have to do the investigation?
I didn't lose the pressure. I didn't lose the pressure inside the column.
We don't have any low trip here also, so I think there's no issue in it.
No.
I think we have half an hour.
It's just a off-spec code.
Yeah, so, we have 30 minutes.
No. Okay, I think we can put prompt
15 to 30. 15 to 30 we can put. This is the process only. And this is A, notable.
Yeah.
This is low. This is, we say, prompt. Prompt versus low.
No, I think 15 to 30 is 15 to 30 is prompt, yeah.
P3.
Step P3, yeah.
I think for the consequence, delete low pressure inside the column.